cheesesteak egg rolls today. These are the ingredients. You have chopped up sirloin, Swiss cheese, diced white onion, green onion, bell peppers. I did a little twist on this. This is Brussels sprouts, and then the egg roll wraps, and the egg wash to seal it. So let's get started. So right here, I'm just melting up a tablespoon of butter. I got my heat on medium heat. First thing you want to do is you want to saute onions and peppers. You can add red pepper flakes. I love pizza, so I'm going to always add red pepper flakes to just about everything I cook. So I added my cinnamon. Now I want to season it just a little bit with salt and pepper and seasoning salt. Ooh, it smells good in here. Alright, so what I did is I strained out the excess oil and water that was in here. And now I'm going to add in cheese. Let my cheese melt down. And once the cheese melts down, I'm going to add my Brussels sprouts last. Cheese is melting down pretty fast, and this looks so good. Brussels sprouts. And this right here will be the filling that goes inside of our egg roll. Now the green onions. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is, in order to make my egg roll wraps, I want to egg white the sides of the wraps. And I'm doing this so that it can stick. Add a spoonful of filling to the middle. Right here, push them in, tuck it. This other side.
much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe and the like button as well as the bell to stay alerted for new videos.